Hey guys, it's Katherine here again and welcome back to my channel. I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. If you're new here, like if you're seeing this gorgeous face for the first time, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you so much for stopping by. You guys are the real MVP. Today's video is going to be the no makeup look. Now guys, you know those days where you wake up and you want to look natural, like you want to have makeup on but not too much makeup on. So this video is for you guys because I also don't like a lot of makeup on my face. I love makeup. I don't like a lot of colors on my face. So if you're like me, then this video is definitely for you. So then people, keep on watching. So for primer guys, I'm going to be using my Yangabeauty Prym. I'm going to be using, so just take a tiny pump and I'll apply it all over my face, especially the area of my face that I get ready because my skin is a bit oily. Okay, so that's that. So next up, I always like to use my Pond's primer. I prime my brows because I really get oily around that area. So we're going to be priming with this Pond's primer. Does anybody have this primer and find out that it dries up? Mine is drying up. So I'm just going to apply it like so, like so. So because I'm obsessed with very light brows, the next step is to apply my foundation. Yes guys, I apply foundation to my brows. So I'll just apply a tiny bit of foundation around my brow area. So for this step, I'm going to be using my beauty sponge to apply it. I just used my hand to apply the gloss. The beauty sponge is just soaking in on my foundation. So I'll apply it like so, and also here as well. So I blend it. So next step is to just brush my brows upwards with a spoolie. So for today's for my eyebrow today, I'm going to be using, because we're going for like very natural brows, so I'm going to be using my Binwa brow pencil. This is what it looks like. Okay. Okay, so guys, so we're going to continue just creating light strokes around the brow area, around my brows. So because I already have natural hairs on my brow, I don't like to do too much when it comes to creating light strokes. I outline my brows lightly because I like very dark brows. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and create light strokes for the front parts of my brows, just like hair light strokes. So afterwards, now we're going to So next thing, for this part of my eyebrow, I have to use my foundation shade, which is what I'm doing right now. So I'll blend that in. So for the upper part of my brows, I'm using my foundation shade as well, just to clean it up. So I'm just going to blend it out with my cleansing brush. To just focus it around this area of my face, here as well, here, my forehead, here, like the parts of my face where light naturally hits. So this step, I'm going to be using my hand to just blend this in right into my skin. I think it's just your skin. So next step is to apply my foundation. So next we're using, I'm actually getting foundation. So I'm going to be using my Maybelline foundation in the shade 355. Shade 355. So I just pour a little on my hand. My hand is my mixing palette, you guys. So then apply with my brush. So because it's a no makeup look, like you need to, we're not packing so much foundation on our skin. So just apply it slightly and then into your skin. So like my foundation brush is doing a lot of my products. So I'm going to apply it in my hands and blend out with the brush. So like so, just apply a bit here, my forehead. So just so that this just, sits right into my skin, I'm going to blend with my beauty sponge. So the next thing is to apply my concealer. So for concealer, I'm going to be using my Early Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. I don't know if you guys can see. It's here. So because it's a no makeup look, like I said earlier, we're not applying so much concealer. So I'm just going to apply a bit. So just a bit like so. Like so. So for this step, I like to use my smaller beauty sponge. It's from Nuban Beauty. So now I'm going to blend this in. So guys, don't forget, you always have to blend. You have to make sure you blend it right and it looks like whatever you're applying on your face looks like it's emanating from your skin. So when we're done blending, I'm going to be using my translucent powder. So this is the Rcma no color powder, nude setting powder that I use now because I use it in a lot of my videos. I'm going to be setting the areas of my face where I applied concealer. As well. So afterwards, okay. So afterwards, I'm going to blend all of this out with my Milani powder. Like I'm going to set all over my face with my Milani powder. but just to intensify my crease area, I like to apply this contour product from my Sleek makeup face contour kit. It's quite old, you guys. So just to intensify my crease, I'm not doing anything. I'm not applying the shadow, just to make it look nice and smooth. So I'm going to be doing that to this all the time. Just a bit. Yes. So afterwards, okay, so guys, I had to go off camera to make sure like the setting spray dries a bit on my face. So the next step is to apply my eyebrow gel. Sorry, it's the Blot Cosmetics brow gel. So I'm going to apply it on my brows like so. It just gives it this natural finish. I always have to do this step every time I do my eyebrows. So I think it's a lot of part of my brows. So I'm done with that. So the next step is to apply my mascara. I use a lot of mascara, you guys. So we're starting with this. Okay, so guys, I'm done with my mascara, and the next step now is to do my lips. So one of my favorite lip pencils is the Zaron lip pencil in Cappuccino. So that's what I'm going to be using now, and I'm also going to be using my Elise Claire lip as well as my Zaron lip gloss. So yeah, so that's what we're doing now. So first off, I'll line my lips with my Zaron Lengthening Cappuccino. So after lining my lips, the next thing that I like to do is to apply my lip stain. So let's go back again with the Zaron lip pencil in Cappuccino. So then I'll go over it with my Zaron lip gloss. So after applying my gloss, because my makeup is usually not complete without a little bit of glow, the girl has to glow. So I'm going to apply my, let me show you guys my favorite glow palette at the moment, which is the Elise Claire glow up. So it's called the Elise Claire glow up. So I'll just apply a bit of the highlight shades in Moonlight. I don't know if you guys can see. That's what I'll be doing now. I'll just apply a bit. Just so that really just looks nice and smooth. I like to go over my forehead with the beauty sponge. So that's my face again. So guys, this is the finished look. If you like this look, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment where you can go to with this makeup look, and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, and when you subscribe, next to the subscribe button, you're going to see like if you hit the notification bell, you're going to see personalized and all, make sure you click all. If you click personalized, you only get notifications on some of my videos and not all my videos, but when you click all, you get notifications on all my videos. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.